when I talk about what mental health awareness means to me, I want to just start with that, invite people to sit with discomfort and to let the cognitive dissonance that you may feel when I speak about my lived experience and the demographic that I work with to sit with that. You asked me yesterday when we were preparing for the panel if I had a background in mental health, and at first, I said, well, no, because I thought literally my background is in human rights and equity work, but I reflected on that, and I do have a background in mental health by having to navigate a country and a system in which anti-Blackness and oppression and marginalization of Blackness and people of color was literally legislated and codified into our country's fabric. So what could be more mentally unstable than creating a document that says that Black people are not whole human beings? That sounds pretty sociopathic to me. Existing in a system which creates barriers for you and being told to try harder when the playing field isn't level, that creates mental illness, that creates anxiety, that creates depression. Mental health awareness for me means that we have to look at it not just in a vacuum, but we have to look at the systems of harm which have contributed to unstable mental health, right? When we're feeling safe and valued in our communities and we're able to raise our families and make a living and pass things on to future generations, like that is supposed to be what America's about. And yet, that has systematically been denied to folks. We now have the studies that show everything that we knew all along, is that racism makes us sick. The Sonoma County Black Therapy Fund came out of the work of 2020. If we're saying that Black Lives Matter, to me that means investing in Black futures. Be honest as a prerequisite for justice. We can be honest about where we're at now and do the actual equity work, walk the talk of equity, which means undoing these systems that continue to cause harm. But we can at least give people a safe space to be seen, be heard, and get well